All right, let's see how it did. Wow, amazing, right? In just 10 minutes, we have a fully printed crown. I just can't believe how fast it is. Now, all that's left is to clean it up and cure it. Let's start by removing the supports. I'm going to use the snippers and cut as close to the crown as possible. It's alright if you need to hold the crown. It's already hardened. Just make sure you're always wearing gloves since there's still liquid resin on the surface. Speaking of, you will need to clean off any leftover resin with isopropyl alcohol. Just spray it onto the surface and brush away any residue. Try to keep contact with alcohol under 30 seconds so you don't affect the surface. And don't forget to clean the inside too. The crown needs to be completely clean and dry before going into the nanocure. Looks good to me. Now on the nanocure. You just need to put it inside and wait for 3 minutes. Then you will have a cure restoration.